1,000,001 indicators out there, but these are the 3 things that have really helped me that I use no matter what. So first thing is just looking at price. There's no specific indicator, you just read the chart. Second is looking at volume. So no matter which trading software you're looking at, there will be a volume indicator, and basically volume gives you a lot more liquidity in the market. That's kind of my third one, but volume and liquidity. And then 2, the other thing that I look for, so I guess this is kind of 4, is the volatility. So if you're looking for something that's going to help you achieve your goals quicker, you're going to look for something with a lot more volatility. Now, of course, with higher volatility comes with higher risk, so just be careful. If you don't care for high volatility, go to something else that may be trading with lower volatility. You'll still make money, if you do all the things that you need to do, but just know that it may not move as much compared to something with more volatility.